For sale, 1971 Ford Thunderbird, time capsule with only 26,000 miles. A rare opportunity to own a true survivor. This 1971 Ford Thunderbird is a genuine three-owner car with only 26,000 original miles. Finished in its factory original blue paint, this fully optioned luxury muscle car is powered by the legendary 429 cubic inch V8, paired with a C6 automatic transmission and backed by a 9-inch rear end. This T-Bird is not just about power, it's about presence. The long, sleek body lines and iconic styling make it a standout, while the factory-loaded options ensure a ride as comfortable as it is commanding. This car comes with a comprehensive history, including service records and original sales books, making it an exceptional collector's piece. It has been preserved, not restored, showcasing originality that's nearly impossible to find today. If you're looking for a true classic with low miles, pedigree, and undeniable curb appeal, this 1971 Thunderbird is the one. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.
Original clamp holds the tyre down. Original jack. All along the boot here's all beautiful. There's not a spot of rust anywhere.
The seal's good.
Seal on the boot's good. This is a true collector's car. Everything about this car is beautiful.
All the original markings on it when it's actually on the assembly line. The aircon works good as well. Beautiful aircon.
Just looking at this engine bay, you can see all the factory markings. It's never had a respray. This is all original. An original 26,000 miles. There's another original mark. Some here as well. If you want to buy a car to fiddle with, this is not your car. If you want to ride and cruise and enjoy, this is the car for you. Everything about this car is beautiful. Inside the doors, bottom of the doors. Everything about this car is original and beautiful. Can do. Traditional Thunderbird seat is a wrap around you.
Yeah.
Very beautiful condition, not a mark in the upholstery at all. It is like this car is brand new.
Do the dash.
Driver's seat.
Electric seat's about a 6-way seat as well. Tilts up and down, backward and forwards, up and down.
Showing how clean the inside of the doors are. Inside the door sills and jambs are perfect.
Yeah, they're in good nick, the sills.
Yeah. And of course the passenger seat, the dash on this side. Everything about this car is beautiful. All right. This is the indicator on, sequential indicator. And you can hear that big 429 rumbling. Let's have a look at the engine bay.